Hey guys, my name is Allie. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, so it's the weekend and my husband is home with the kids and I was able to get away for just a couple of hours and I got my iced coffee and I ended up pulling up to a flea market I've actually never been to before, so I'm really excited to go in, see what they have. I don't know if we'll buy anything today, but I think it'll just be a lot of fun just sipping on coffee and browsing, and I just thought I would take you guys along with me today. I hope you enjoyed some of those finds at the flea market. I sure did. It was so nice to see some of the seasonal decor coming out. I love fall, love Christmas, so I had to include some of those seasonal decorations in for you guys. One of my favorite, I guess you could call it a hobby, is window shopping. So I love to just go to thrift stores, antique stores, and browse. Of course, it's always fun to come home with a treasure or two, but I really do just enjoy the times where I can slow down and not really have any worries on what I'm looking for and just enjoying all of the old things, the treasures, the unique things. I do find it just so relaxing. I was bummed though because when I walked up to the storefront, I noticed that right next door there was an antique furniture store, but it had just closed like an hour before I got there. So I'm definitely going to be heading back there soon because antique furniture pieces are some of my favorites, and I'm actually on a hunt for the perfect hutch for our kitchen dining room area. I did spend a little more time at the flea market than I had originally intended, so I had to rush home and get a quick dinner ready. And of course, in all my excitement to get to the flea market, I forgot to thaw out some meat for dinner, but I did happen to have some frozen sirloin steaks in the freezer, and so I just popped those out real quick, threw them in the Instant Pot, and set those to cook for a shredded steak taco night. While the steaks were in the Instant Pot, I whipped up a quick tortilla recipe. I used to buy store-bought tortillas, but I tried my hand at a simple, easy flour tortilla recipe a few months back, and they were an absolute hit with my husband and children, and now they expect nothing less than these homemade tortillas, which I can't complain because I think they're delicious and they really don't take long to make. One aspect of life that I've really been thinking about lately is just the idea of contentment and being thankful and satisfied in all that the Lord has given me and stewarding those things well. I'm thankful for a Bible-believing church that stands on truth and that we live in a country where we can exercise our freedoms and we're able to gather together each week as a body of believers and worship the one true God. I'm thankful for 5 beautiful, healthy children and a husband who loves the Lord and serves his family so well. And the list just goes on and on. I would love to hear from you guys. What is something that you are thankful for? Or what is an aspect of life that you have found yourself focusing more on, whether it be contentment or productivity or patience? Share with us in the comments below.